Growing in numbers from a few hundred women to more than 8,000.
Yeah, they're actually banding together to speak out against what they call a harmful and deadly form of birth control.
ABC 15 investigator Lauren Gilger joins us now with the latest on this. Lauren?
We followed their stories from Phoenix all the way to Washington. Now, one woman's story will be heard in a court of law. She filed the first lawsuit against this government-approved medical device, claiming it should have never been approved in the first place. Bayer, one of the world's largest healthcare companies, is now formally accused of intentionally misleading women implanted with Essure permanent birth control. In the first lawsuit involving the controversial medical device, in a complaint filed in civil court in Philadelphia, lawyers claim Essure should never have been marketed or sold, that the company breached its warranty to patients and failed to properly train the doctor who implanted their plaintiff with the Essure device.
The procedure can be performed in a doctor's office in minutes.
In the procedure, there are two metal coils inserted into the fallopian tubes to block conception. But in this case, the lawsuit describes 3, not 2 coils left inside of her. They migrated out of her fallopian tubes, leading to 5 hospitalizations and a hysterectomy, removing her reproductive organs.
I had a partial hysterectomy in July.
It's a story we've heard before.
They took everything out except my ovaries.
From women in the Valley who spoke out against Essure last fall. Now there are more than 8,000 of them nationwide. Bayer, which bought Conceptus, the original manufacturer of the device, had no comment on the lawsuit. A spokeswoman told ABC 15 Bayer has read the complaints online and don't think they are representative of the hundreds of thousands of women who have benefited from the device.
The company got pre-market approval for studies that, could clearly be questioned.
Famed activist Erin Brockovich helps lead their cause. From the beginning, she's questioned the pre-market approval the device received from the FDA. Normally, FDA approval like this would shield a company from any product liability, but this lawsuit claims that Essure's manufacturer basically duped the FDA, saying the company broke the conditions for that approval. They claim the manufacturer actively concealed negative reports, and they're asking for $50,000 for both compensation and delay damages. Do you think Essure should be on the market?
In my opinion, absolutely not.
The FDA has told us for months that they reviewed the complaints and the clinical trial literature and found nothing wrong. They had no comment on this story, but we won't stop asking questions. I'm investigator Lauren Gilger, ABC 15 News.